Hello there, smart learner. Oh my goodness is my name. You may address me as Mr. OMG. I enjoy math questions until I have to eat math questions 5 times a week. I eat primary questions for breakfast, secondary questions for lunch, JC questions for snack, university questions for dinners, math Olympiad questions for suppers. I'd like to share with you what I eat in a week. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. If you're lucky, your comment will appear in one of my videos. Hi everyone. Today we're gonna discuss about Igcse Extended Math Cambridge October-November W22 for paper 2-1. Hope you learned something here for secondary questions. Okay, number 1. Write down the common multiple of 18 and 24. 18 is 36, the multiple 72, 54, 24, 48, 72. Okay, look at this. The common multiple is 72. And that's the answer, 72. Number 2, how long the time taken for this journey? Okay, so to make this easy, let's plus this 24 because this is next day. So this is 3050 minus 2340 minus 7 hour 10 minutes. 7 hour 10 minutes, and that's the answer. And write 32 centimeter as a fraction of 2. A fraction of 2. 32 divided by 2. Wait. 2 meter. 2 means 200. And let's divide them by 8. So this is 4. And this is 25. Divided by 8. 200 divided by 8 is 25. So 4 over 25 is the answer. Divide this in the ratio 7 to 3. The total unit here is 10 unit. If we want to divide, 200 equals to 10 unit. 1 unit is 20. So 7 unit is 140. 3 unit is $60. And that's the answer. Number 5. Find the value of x of these questions. To find these questions, please remember this 55. So this is also 55. We call this alternate angle. So to find x, 180 minus 71 minus 55. And if we count, this is about 54 degree. And that's the answer. 71 minus 55. 54. Is that right? Yes. Okay. Next one, number 6. The price of computer disk. The price is reduced by 15%. Reduced by 15%. So 100% minus 15%. The price become 85%. And the sale price will be 520 times 85%. Let's count this. That's 442. And that's the answer. Number 7. The Venn diagram shows the element of these sets. Okay, the sets, this Venn diagram. This is symbol for universal set, P and Q. Okay. What is P? The sets. P sets of A, B, C, D. Okay, because this is P. This is the members. They only ask for members. How about P union Q? P union Q consists of all. So how many members? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number of members. Next, number 8. Write down these sets. Okay, this is times 3, times 3, times 3. So the next one should be supposed to be 243 because 81 times 3 is 243. Find the n terms of this sequence. This is plus 4, plus 4, plus 4. Okay. So this basically arithmetic sequence. So multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 16, 4, 8, 12, 16 and so on. So multiple of 4 is 4n to get 13 plus 9. So that's the answer. Number 9. Without using calculator, count this. 1 over 3 is 2 over 6 plus 5 over 6. Don't forget we need to make same denominator. This is 7 over 6. And give your answer in mixed number. Okay, easy. 1 over 6. Okay, yeah. 7 over 6. Yeah. If you don't remember, the remainder is 1. That's why it's 1 here. And 1 is quotient. Yeah. And this divided by that. 18x to the power of 18 over 9x to the power of 9. So cross out this 2. And this x-nya 18. And this is 9. Yeah. So 2x to the power of 9 is the answer. Yeah. And solve these simultaneous equations. Yeah. We can solve this by minus both equations. Yeah. X minus 2x become minus x. Minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 becomes 0. Yeah, that's 0. And 7 minus 11 is minus 4. So we get x equals to 4. And to find the y, substitute 4 minus 3y equals to 7. So minus 3y equals to 3. Y equals to negative 1. So that's the answer. X equals to 4 and y equals to negative 1. Number 12. Triangle dissimilar. PR to AC is 2 to 3. So basically this is 2 unit and this is 3 unit. Okay, yeah, the length. Find the length of PQ. Okay, the length of PQ. So basically 9 divided by PQ will equal to 3 unit over 2 unit. If we count this, we get this 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter because 1 unit is 3, 2 unit is 6 centimeter. Find the area of the triangle PQR. Okay, we know this is 18 centimeter square. It's provided here. Okay, so this is area. So since the ratio of the length is 2 to 3, to find the area, simply square the ratio. Simply the ratio of area. Ratio area is becomes 4 to 9. Okay, yeah. So 9, 4 unit represent the 18 centimeter square. So 4 unit is 18 centimeter square. 1 unit is about 4.5. So 9 unit is about, let's count that. 9 times 4.5 equals to 40.5. So 40.5 centimeter square is the answer. Okay. 13a, find the acceleration of during first 5 seconds. First 5 seconds, that means this is speed time graph. To find the acceleration is simply to find the gradient. Okay, to find the gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, which is y2 is 14 minus 0 over 5 minus 0, and that's equals to 2.8, and that's the answer. Yeah. And find the distance travel. Distance travel is simply you need to find the area of this shaded, this shape. Yeah, this size. We need to find this area. This is a trapezium. Okay, if you hard to find trapezium, is simply just count the shape. Okay, which is this rectangle. This size is 10 and this is 14. So the area is 140 centimeter square here, 140 unit square here, and this is 14. 5 times 14 divided by 2, which is 70. So to find the area is simply 210 meter, and that's the answer. This number 14. Describe the fully single transformation of triangle A to B. This probably A to B, probably not translation, not reflection, not the enlargement, but this is rotation. Okay, yeah. The rotation, the center is about here, I think. This is by guess and check. Okay, yeah. Why rotation is this? Okay, because the distance is equal there. Yeah, can you see that? Yeah, okay, yeah. So this is about from A on to B. Okay, so this is we can say this is clockwise. So this is rotation 90 degree clockwise. Yeah, we gonna need to say that 90 degree clockwise, and then by center, what's the center here? Is about 5,3, and that's the answer. The perimeter of a sector with radius 8 is 26. Okay, let's draw a sector first. Yeah. So basically the angle of the sector, what is the angle of the sector? Okay, let's say the angle of sector is x. Okay, yeah, that's what we don't know. And the radius is 8. The radius is 8, and the arc is about you use formula S equals to theta times R. The angle is x and the radius is 8, yeah. So this is 8x, yeah. So the perimeter means 8 plus 8 plus 8x is 26, yeah. And this give us 8x equals to 10. So x about 5 over 4. And that's the answer, radian. Number 16. This circle geometry. We need to find u, v, w, and x. How to find this? Okay, look at this, 8 chords. Okay, there are 8 chords. So any information here? So we can know that this is 20. Okay, yeah. By the single circle theorem, this is equal. Okay, yeah. So this is 20. How about other? This also equals to this. Okay, let me give you other color. Let's use blue here. This must be equals to this circle theorem. How about this? This equals to that, and v equals to this thing equals to that. What else? Yeah, and I also believe this is 56. Yeah, vertical opposite. Oh, to find the red, we can find simply by this 180 minus 56 minus 72, where that is give us 52, yeah. Then, yeah, 52 degree. So 52 degree, that will be v is 52 degree, yeah, because it's same red. Okay, how about the x? Okay, I think we can find something here, okay, which is 180 minus 56 degree. 180 minus 56 degree, this give us 124 degree, yeah. So this is 124 degree, and 180 minus 20 minus 124, which is will give us 36 degree, and the blue is x, right? That's 36 degree. Okay, good. We find several of the answers, yeah. And w is the problem here. W, what is w? Okay, we can see quadrilateral in the circle here, which is this, yeah, where we know that this plus that must be 180. Okay, yeah. So to find w is simply 180 minus 72, and this go 108 degree, and that's the answer for all of this. Okay, yeah. And number 17, simplify this. 3125, I think that's about 5 to the power of 5, yeah. And this is x to the power of 3125 to the power of 1 over 5. So we're gonna use this formula, which is a times b to the power of c, yeah, to the power of c outside the bracket. This is a to the power of c times b to the power of c, yeah, and a to the power of b to the power of c, that will give us a to the power of b times c. Okay, so which this give us, yeah, this is 5 to the power of 5 times 1 over 5, which is 5 to the power of 1, and this is 3 to the power of multiply them, yeah. So this is 625, yeah. And so the answer is 5x to the power of 625, and that's the answer. Calculate the length of BC. This use advanced trigonometry to find BC. Look at this. This is A as we can use AAS, yeah. You know, need to know the angle here. So that's AAS. That means you use sine rule. Okay, sine rule, where this angle supposed to be 180 minus 115 minus 35, yeah, and this will give us 30 degree, yeah, 30. So this is the formula, 7 over sine 30. This equals to BC, which is the question, sin 115, yeah. So to count this is sin 115, yeah. 14, yes. To solve this is simply 12.6 centimeter is the answer. Okay, number 19, expand this, expand. Okay, expand, simplify. First we need to expand this, which is this is x squared minus 4x plus 4. Okay, and this is multiplied by 2x plus 3. Okay, let's make it vertical to make count easier. Okay, let's count this. 2x times x squared is 2x cubed, and this gives us minus 8x squared, and this is plus 8x, and this is 3x squared minus 12x plus 12. Okay, if we count this all, we get the answer is 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 4x plus 12, and that's the answer. Number 20, factorize this completely. Okay, to factorize a completely, this must be confusing, but look at this, these two, they have both y as the same factor. So let's factor out minus y, because both of them have minus y multiplied by 1 plus x. And look at this, 1 plus x have the factor of both. Okay, so the answer will be 1 plus x multiplied by this, you multiply become 1 because we have 1 here, minus y. So that's the answer, 1 plus x times 1 minus y. And number B, 2x cubed minus this. Okay, so we know they have 2, 18, x cubed, x and y square. Okay, yeah, to see this, we factor out 2 and x only. Okay, yeah, so what's left is only x square minus 9y square. Okay, and these two still can be factored out, which is this is perfect difference of 2 square. So this is x minus 3y multiplied by x plus 3y, and that's the answer. Number 21, the graph of cubic function has two turning points where this has graph gradient is positive. This is graph positive means going up, and the rest is negative, the graph is going down. We can see is x equals 0 and x equals to 4 is the turning point, and the graph passed through origin, so the graph passed through this. Okay, so the graph before x equals 0 is going up, so it's going up here, and until 4 is going down, but we don't know until when. Okay, let's say here, and then going up again. And sketch the graph, it's probably like this, and that will be the answer. Yeah, and sketch the graph y equals to cos x. Yeah, to sketch the graph, we need to divide into 4 quadrant here. Yeah, which is the middle 180 degree, 90 to 70. Yeah, cos 0 is always 1. Yeah, cos 90 is 0, cos 180 is minus 1, cos 270 is 0, cos 360 is 1 again. Yeah, so to combine, to sketch cos is to combine this, which is this is the answer, and that will be the answer. Okay, and find the solution for cos x equals to half, negative half. Negative half is about here. Yeah, yeah, this 2 is the answer. Yeah, we're gonna only borrow that line. Okay, yeah, so the answer will be in second and third quadrant. Okay, second and third. Second quadrant is 180 minus x, third quadrant will be 180 plus x, and cos inverse half is 60 degree if you use calculator. Yeah, so to count this, 180 minus 60, which is 120 degree, that's the first answer. Look at this, 120. Yeah, and the other one is 180 plus 60, which is 240 degree, and that's the answer. Number 23, y is inversely proportional to root x. Y equals to k over root x, and at the same time x is proportionally direct to w square, so this is t times w square. Okay, yeah, so we just simply substitute because this is same x. Okay, yeah, so y equals to k over root tw square. Okay, yeah, so let's make into y equals to k over root t times w. Okay, yeah, k times root t, let's make a new constant which is c. Okay, yeah, So basically this is y equals to c over w, and that's the formula. Okay, when w is 12, y is 12. Okay, so c over 12, so we get c is 144 here. So the answer is 144 over w, and that's the answer. 24. Violet and Wilfred recorded time they run correct to the nearest second. Violet took this and Wilfred took this. Okay, write down the upper bound of the difference between their time. Difference of their time. Wilfred Violet 200 meter nearest seconds. The difference of their time. Nearest seconds. Okay, so the Violet will be from nearest seconds. It is from 35.5 until 35.5 until 36.5. Yeah, that's the upper bound. This is the lower bound. Our Wilfred is 38.5 until 39.5 is the upper bound of the Violet. Yeah, and the difference, that means, let's say, w minus v. Okay, the upper bound will be the greatest one minus this, which is 4, and the lower bound, which is 38.5 minus 36.5, this closest. Okay, so the answer is 2 until 4. So the upper bound is 4, the lower bound is 2, and that's the answer. Number 25. A bag contains 5 red balls, 4 blue balls, and 3 green balls. In total, this is 12 balls here. And Megan picks only 1 ball. And what's probability, red or blue? Yeah, this in total 3 over 9 balls, which is red 5, 4 blue balls. So yeah, total 9 balls, and over 12. And this is 3 over 4. Yeah. Okay. The second one, Megan replaced the ball and she repeat this for 60 times. Calculate number 6 expected to get red or blue. So this is 3 over 4 times 60. That's simply 45 times you will get red or blue. And B, Mick picks 2 balls. Now, before A, he only take 1 ball. Please remember this, take 2 balls, pick 2 balls. And he want different colors. It's like red, blue, plus red, green, and so on. Too much, eh? Or simply we can make 1 minus same color, which is red, red, green, green, or blue, blue. Yeah, which is 1 minus red, which is 5 over 12, and red again, which is 4 over 11, minus green, green, 3 over 12 times 2 over 11, minus blue, blue, which is 4 over 12 times 3 over 11. And that's give us 1 minus 5 over 12 minus 3. 1 minus let me converse. (47 over 66), and that's the answer. And C, Mary picks the ball without replacement. She picks the ball until she take greens. The probability she picks a green ball on pick n is this much. Yeah, find the value of n. Okay, let's assume n equals to 1. Yeah, so when she picks, she already get green ball and then she stops. Okay, n equals to 1, that will be 3 over 12, and that's not the answer. Okay, because the probability is supposed to be 21 over 220. How about n equals to 2? N equals to 2, that means the first she take is it's either red or blue, which is 9 over 12, and the second one will be green. Yeah, and that's not correct because that's not 21 over 220. And n equals to 3. Yeah, because this equals to, wait, let me count. This equals to 9 over 44, which is not the answer. Yeah, and n equals to 3, that will be the first time he take is not green. Yeah, and not green again 8 over 11. Okay, because after she takes he don't give it back. Yeah, and green the third time because n equals 3. Okay, and that's equals to 9 over 55. When he take the fourth times, yeah, he put non-green, and he take green. And that will be 7 over 55. That's still quite far, not the answer. How about n equals to 5? N equals to 5, that will be 9 over 12, 8 over 11, 7 over 10, 6 over 9 times n less green, which is 3 over 8. Yeah, and let's count that. And that's equals to 21 over 220. So the value of n will be 5, and that's the answer.